S-97 Raider. The S-97 high-speed helicopter is developed on the basis of the experience gained by the Sikorsky specialists during the X-2 project. The main goal of the new project is the creation of a helicopter capable of flying at a speed of at least 217 to 279 miles per hour. Due to some features of the blade's aerodynamics, modern helicopters cannot fly at such speeds. The S-97 project is designed to solve this problem. The first helicopter based on the new scheme turned out to be relatively small and light. The total length of the vehicle does not exceed 36 feet. The maximum span is 15.7 feet and the diameter of the coaxial rotor screws is 34.1 feet. The declared takeoff weight of the machine does not exceed 5 tons. It is alleged that with such dimensions and weight, the helicopter can perform a wide range of tasks. The helicopter has an elongated flared fuselage. In the forward part of the fuselage, there's a cabin with 2 pilot seats alongside each other. The cabin is equipped with 2 side doors for the pilot's boarding. The helicopter is also equipped with uniquely designed coaxial rotors. FCX-001. At the Heli Expo 2017, held in Dallas, Texas, Bell Helicopter presented the concept of the FCX-001 helicopter, developed by its specialists. Distinctive features of the helicopter are the body made of the most sophisticated multifunctional materials, artificial intelligence in the role of a co-pilot, hybrid propulsion system, and rotor blades capable of adapting to even the most drastic changes in flight conditions. The helicopter lacks a traditional tail rotor. It is replaced by an internal system that creates the torque. Such a solution allows increasing the helicopter's safety level, reducing the noise created by it, and increasing the efficiency of the energy use accumulated in batteries or obtained by burning fuel. Inside the helicopter's cabin, there is only one pilot seat equipped with the technologies of virtual and augmented reality to the maximum. Besides, the role of the co-pilot and flight engineer is now performed by the artificial intelligence system, which, if required, can fully take over the controls of the aircraft. The modular design of the passenger's cabin allows installing any number of seats that can be removed in order to make more room for extra cargo. Eurocopter X-3 is the fastest helicopter in the world. During the flight over the territory of France, it developed a record speed of 293 miles per hour, thus breaking the record set by the Sikorsky X-2, which was 287 miles per hour. The helicopter has 2 turboshaft-adapted Rolls-Royce Turbomeca RTM 322 engines that rotate the 5-blade main rotor of the helicopter and 2 propellers mounted on the end of the short fixed wings. It should be noted that 293 miles per hour is not the fastest speed the helicopter can develop. During one of the test flights, the helicopter managed to accelerate to a speed of 302 miles per hour while carrying out a prolonged descent from high altitude. However, this result does not count as such a speed was not reached during horizontal flight. EC-145 T2. A 4-ton twin-engine helicopter was presented at the Heli Expo as a model for emergency medical evacuation, rescue services, as well as for corporate transportation. The main differences of the new modification from the main EC-145 model are the one-piece impact-resistant tail boom, completely made of composite materials, equipment for night flights, and the fenestron tail rotor, protecting the blades from gusts of wind, contact with wires of power lines, and trees. The avionics kit includes a 4-channel autopilot and 3 widescreen LCD displays. Turbomeca aerial engines increase flight capacity of the helicopter by 20% under normal operating conditions and by 50% with one engine failure. The helicopter is considered to be the most silent one of its kind. The starting cost of the model is $7.3 million. Mi-26. Despite its considerable age, the Mi-26 still remains the largest serial helicopter in the world. Due to its impressive size, the pilots call it a flying cow. If you put it next to the Boeing 737, Mi-26 will be longer, while the height of the giant is as big as a 3-story building. After the first takeoff on December 14, 1977, this giant has revolutionized the helicopter industry and has set new world standards. The helicopter is capable of carrying a cargo weighing up to 20 tons. At the same time, the weight of the empty vehicle is almost 30 tons. The Mi-26 has, to its credit, already 14 world records. The helicopter proved to be exceptionally reliable and often irreplaceable. The Mi-26 was of use fighting fire during natural disasters. In 1986, it participated in the liquidation of the consequences of the Chernobyl accident. In 2002, the Mi-26 was even assisting the U.S. Armed Forces. The Giant took the heaviest downed rotary wing vehicle of the U.S. Army, the CH-47 Chinook helicopter, out of the hard-to-reach areas of Afghanistan and delivered it to the American base in Bagram. Guys, thanks for watching. If this video was interesting, please support me with your likes, comments, or reposts on your social media platforms. This will be of great help for the channel. Don't miss the next video. See you then.